Prior to college, most students spend little time thinking about or saving for the high cost of a college education. Still, most college students depend on some form of financial aid. Recently, Irvine Valley College hosted a workshop in the Performing Arts Center for roughly 200 local high school counselors to update them on state-funded financial aid programs available to them and the student application process.
Well, today we're hosting the California Student Aid Commission, and we have all of our local high school counselors here to learn how to help our students actually fill out their financial aid paperwork so that they can be successful.
Well, it's really impactful because high school counselors work directly with the students. If they don't have accurate information or updated information, they're not going to be able to share it. So every year we have them come out and we tell them, this is what we need to be focused on, and here's new information, here's new grants that are available. So it's very impactful because hopefully that trickles down to their students.
With a large variety of financial aid funding available to students, attention to detail is critical during the application process.
This is a highly regulated process, and literally one small mistake can cause you to be kicked out of the system.
It could lead to negative consequences on the type of financial aid a student gets. So, incorrect information will lead to erroneous results, like they would qualify for less financial aid.
So it's really important to get the guidance and to have a counselor help you through the process so that you can complete successfully and get the resources you need.
The California Student Aid Commission hosts this event throughout the year at many locations statewide. For IVC, hosting this financial aid workshop provides an opportunity to show off the campus and to remind local counselors guiding students toward college that the state's #1 transfer rate community college is right in their backyard.
We want to put the word out to our service area high schools locally that we're a partner with them in helping them get their students to college, and hoping that they would consider IVC as a viable option for higher education for their students.
For students seeking financial aid, workshops like this might not be on their radar, but serve as a great reminder of all the people working behind the scenes to ensure they have a fair chance at higher education. For more information on financial aid at Irvine Valley College, visit financialaid.ivc.edu.